Yes, honey, it's Friday. Matter of fact, we're going to call this Black Friday. Y'all know how we do it. When you touch my body, I know you are something, and I can't ignore it. My friends tell me if I wanna go to the beach, but it would be better if you come things are better. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Mo Love, and I'm back with another video. Yes, baby, I'm back with another video. And you know what today is?
It's Friday. Gonna party down.
Yes, honey, it's Friday. Matter of fact, we're going to call this Black Friday. Y'all know how we do it. I said I was going to do this once a month, but this is special. This is the second one out the month, featuring my friend Josie, the one who styled my hair. Peep out the hairstyle, you guys. Do y'all like it? Very cute, very different. So yeah, this video will be featuring a good friend of mine named Josie. She's a hairstylist here in my local area, and she has her own hair salon, which is Josies Salon, and she also has her own beauty supply store, y'all. And you know that is rare to have an African American owned beauty supply chain. So yeah, so I wanted to feature her. I had an idea because, you know, I'm going on a trip this weekend, and I wanted something different. I usually just get plain regular braids every time I go on a trip, you know, because it's easy to maintain. But I was strolling on the grass, and I seen some cute styles that's been trending. It's something like the Fulani braids in the front, and in the back is crochet. So yes, I seen this one, and I went to Josie. And I said, could you hook me up? And she said, for sure. So she hooked me up. I went to her salon the other day, and I got some footage showing you how she started it off. You know, how she braided this part, and she did the crochet. So yeah, this is like a hairstyling video, giving y'all some ideas of different styles. This style is trending in different ways. There's different types of hair that people's using, but it's easy to maintain. As you can see, it's got a lot of body. It's very full, very thick, but there's varieties of different hairs that you can get. So if you didn't want it this thick and full, you can get something lighter, or you can even do less hair. So I'll go ahead and show y'all the process of me getting my hair done in her salon. And yeah, it's crochet. All this in the back is crochet. The braid stop right here, and she added some hair in it. So I think this is so cute. Very cute and stylish. Now I am going to Vegas, so I don't know if this is a good idea to get all this hair, but I can simply put it in a ponytail, you know, if it gets too hot, or put it up in a bun or something like that. So yeah, this is very cute, easy to maintain. I just spray a little water on it and a little moisturizer. So yeah, this is a very cute style, you guys. Alright, so I'll roll the tape, letting y'all see how she installed it, and I'll come back after it's finished, so stay tuned.
One of a kind, one of a kind. Baby, you are mine, you are mine. Hey, one of a kind, one of a kind. Baby, you are mine, you are mine. Hey, every time I say me looking at your eye, the love alone, but you give me one cry. Every time when me looking at me eye, feel love, girl, you know me woulda. Chill a lot that girl, don't I want fi come off. But I you know the all the beat, and me have a chill a lot that girl, don't I want fi just one touch. Oh, not now one touch. She give me just that one touch. She give me that one touch. She give me just one touch. Oh, not now one touch. She give me just that one touch. She give me that one touch. She give me just one touch. Oh, not now one touch. She give me just that one touch. She give me that wave. Night and day me say a rave, we a rave. Wave. Party turn up on me a rave, we a rave. Wave. Night and day me say a rave, we a rave. Wave. Party turn up on me a rave, we a rave. Every time I say me looking at your eye, the love alone but you give me one cry. Every time when me looking at me eye, feel love girl you know me woulda chill a load that girl down a walk fi come off. But you know the all the beat and me heart me have a chill a load that girl down a walk fi come off. But baby you want the beat and me heart. Even though the girl are you want me boo, and me coulda never live without you. This your love you it real and true. Because she give me just one touch. One touch. Me say me fall in love with one touch. One touch. Touch the road, everything alright. We a go all a one party tonight. Touch the road, everything alright. We a go shell down a party tonight. Touch the road, everything alright. We a go all a one.
Hey,
Miss Josie.
love you guys. Come on.
She's such
we
a
have
sweetheart.
We have a Baba here now. He do tattoo. That's the guy right there.
Yeah, he hooked you up.
He gonna hook you up.
How y'all doing?
We love you. Come
Yeah.
by.
Thank you.
Stop by. I got beautiful.
She's a sweetheart.
Esta noche ya y puedo ver las luces a lo lejos. Siento música en mi cuerpo, tu mirada y tus deseos. Sin pensar y respirar quiero.
So yeah, I love it. Let me know what you guys think. And would you try this hairstyle? And if you have, let me know how you liked it. So yes, that will be the end of the video. All of her information will be linked in the description box. Thank y'all for watching. And until the next one, love y'all.